Wait for Ben. Let him see. Look down, Ben. Look down. Look on the steps. Where are they? I didn't bring them up?
Oh my goodness.
Here. Oh, thanks. Here, wait. What? You did? Oh, you're right. Yeah. Did the Easter Bunny bring you guys some presents? What? What thing? The Hip Hop Bunny? Hey, Tyler, you think maybe you ought to go see if there's more eggs around here? See, Tyler, there's a bucket here for you to put them in. Mommy brought a bucket up. Oh my goodness, how many Easter eggs did that Easter Bunny leave you guys? Ben. 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 Yeah. What? Okay. Hey Ben, go look over there in that room.
I know, Tyler.
Go look over there.
I know, Tyler. Maybe you should do that.
Do it while they're eating. Oh! Why don't you guys go that way? See if there's any more. Go, Ben, go! Go! Run, run, run! Look! Oh my goodness! You do have a whole bunch. Sorry.
Probably a whole bunch more if you keep looking around.
Go look on that chair. Is there any there? I don't know how the chair got turned that way. But... Wow, that is a lot of eggs, guys.
I have a whole bunch.
Think there's more anywhere? my goodness. Ben. Ben. Hey, Ben. Tyler. What in the world? Oh, that's a ball, isn't it? Ah, the Easter Bunny must have tricked you. Ben. 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 Look at me. Let me see. Let's look in that those buckets. Oh my goodness. Let me see yours. Wow.
How much do you have?
A whole lot?
I have 2019.
Oh my goodness. And I think there's still more. I see some in here that you haven't picked up yet. Ben.